So, again, I am back with the high intensity and the energy which I have. I just dropped my mom in their work, and right now we are on the bike for going to do the Rapido to make us some money from Rapido. And yesterday I have done the video which is I think 12 minutes long, and that video has a the topic of that video is the football player, how football player can live off on the dividends. Means if he invest properly whole life, then how he will live off after the reaching one goal like $2 million, $3 million, and then after that he can live off on the dividends and his money will grow without doing anything. That's what I done yesterday. That's what I make yesterday. That give me, and then I make a thumbnail also. The quality of this mobile is very good. I think the 4K, and actually 4K. It is a 4K, and if you see this, the clear face of mine is a 4K, and as this is a 2x only. So this much you can see. And what is our today's goal, what we have to do today I have to find a new script or write a script, and also find a new subtopic because the FIFA is started. And if you are means if you go with the trend, you will make a money or you will monetize the channel. My goal is to monetize channel very quickly this, and then start to making money from that. And that's the goal of this month, to monetize that channel, because I have the experience of the 4 years on the Hindi channels which I run, but all of the channels are got demonetized because of the AI use and the YouTube think that is the repetitive content. And it is actually a repetitive content. At the time of when I didn't have that much knowledge or that much thing. I don't know why it is repetitive or something is like that, but still I done and I make money. I make a little bit of money, like 9-10 lakhs, and then for not 18 lakhs I have make. So at the age of 19 I have started the YouTube channels, and at the age of 21-22 I have make around 18 lakhs, and that 18 lakhs has also gone to the new business which is called the trading. And right now I am at that down, as I don't have the money, but the thing is I have is the work ethic, and every day doing the consistent work on my goals, work on my things. So I have reached the home. About 30 minutes has been gone when I came to the home, and right now I am just getting little bit waiting for a little bit time to again start the workout which is remaining. Means I have to do the, I think, 200 push 200 squats and 200 squats I have to do in this day, but in the morning I have done the 100 push-ups, and right now I have to do the 100 push-ups. 120 is done, and in the morning right now I have to do the 100 push-ups and remaining 100 squats which is I have to complete. And then after that dumbbells workout is remaining. That is also a workout which I do. Means yesterday I have done the abs workout, and today I have to do the dumbbells workout. Tomorrow I have to go to the college for the fees and getting the admission in the college again. This is the last year of my college, and the camera quality is fucking very good. Like reality is 4K is actually the real. If you see the normal quality of the 1080 fp 1080p versus the 4K, you feel the difference. Right now I am feeling the difference, like real human, real everything. Means every particles of the face and every particles of the body is looking, everything is real. So and the space has been also done, means I don't have the space in that mobile. When I do the vlogging in the morning, start a vlogging, that mobile gets automatically heat up, and that time some days vlog has been done, vlog has been not done. That's, and then after that, coming from the Rapido, the mobile heat like fully up, like it will just blast in a few seconds, but that did not happen. And then that time when I came from the Rapido, I just throw that mobile in the means I just throw that mobile in the refrigerator to just cool it up for a little bit time, so I can use that mobile. So right now this mobile has not that much thing like heating or any problem, because it is have the high 7300 MediaTek processor. So but the camera quality is good, and that's what I wanted, because I think iPhone also provides like this camera quality, but I wanted in the Android, because and in my good amount of the budget which I decided, I said 28,000 is the last lot, but this has been gone for 31,000. But go it is gated because of I get this in the 31,000 because of the EMI I get on the loan this phone, so that's why. And some comment after a long time, one comment has been came in my YouTube video, let's keep going brother. So thanks for commenting, and I will update you until the night. Right now I have to complete the workout very quickly, because the after coming from that Rapido work, I have to just get little bit time of rest, means just sit little bit time, because the mind has been hot and all the stuff has been hot. So I have to sit a little bit time, and then after that I have to start the workout. So that is the time right now, and we will done workout continue. And does I cut the beard or not? What I'm thinking. So the day has been ended. I have done the reel, I have uploaded the video, I have make the content. I just didn't find the script which can be with my topic and the football topic, football plus finance, both required in the script. That what I didn't find out. So I have to do that tomorrow, because right now I have to eat and go for the run, and came after that, and then sleep and all the stuff which I do. Right now I have to eat first. So the day has been ended, and we have done all the work which I have to do. Let's go. I will meet you tomorrow.